ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We continue the last lesson. Trimshaf Pataha Baladarshe Subhashitani. We have done up to 18. Gachan pipiliko yati yojananam shatanyapi agachan vainate yopi vadamekam na gacchati. And the next Subhashitam. Please read. One of you can read.
उद्योगः खलु कर्तव्यः फलं मार्जरवद् भवेत्। मार्जारवद् भवेत्। जन्म प्रभृति गौर्नस्ति पयः पिबति नित्यशः।
Meaning Udyogah. Okay, Sandhi. First, let us do Sandhi Vichedaha. Vicheda we will do, and then Udyogah plus Kalu. Here, Jikwamulia. That's Sandhi. Visarga will be replaced by either Visarga or the Visarga. Okay. Kalu. Kalu is Kalu. Kalu is an Avyayam. Indeed. Kalu. Kartavyaha. Okay. Kartavyah Palam. There are also Upadmaniya or Visarga. Marjara Vad Bhavet means Marjara Vat. Like the Marjara Vat. How do you declare Marjara Vat? Bhavet is Ling Lakara. Bhavet Bhavetam Bhave Yugu. Ling Lakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. What about Marjara Vat? Marjara Vat. How do you decline Marj? Anybody? How do you decline Marjara Vat?
Marjaravan, Marjaravantau, Marjaravantaha.
Okay. Keep because that now. Keep that now.
It is not a Krudanta.
Marut Shabda.
Marut Shabda. Okay. Keep like that now, and we'll see the meaning, and then we'll see whether what is that it is. It's Krudanta or not. Okay. You said it, the Marjaravan means what is the meaning of Marjaravan?
It was a Krudanta, Guruji.
Okay. Marjaravan means what?
No, it means
What
like a cat. Marjaravat, like
No.
a cat.
Marjaravan means what? The one who has Marjara.
No, he is more like prone to those qualities.
No. That cannot be the meaning of Marjaravat. Dhimad,
Uh-huh.
Dhiman,
Oh,
one who has
on.
Dhibuddhi. Dhanam, one who has Dhanam, Dhanavan, one who has Dhanam. Marjaravan, one who has Marjara, one who has cat. That should be the meaning, right?
Uh-huh.
You
Okay.
say Marjaravan means the one who has cat is Marjaravan. One who has
No.
Bidala is Bidalavan. That's how you have to take Dhanam, Dhanavan, Balam, Balavan, Marjaram, Marjaravan.
I thought it is the qualities, the one who has got that sort of qualities.
No. Asya asti iti.
Mhm.
The one who has that quality is also that the person is referred to by that quality. So Marjara is not the quality, it's an object. And Dhanam also is an object, right? You have Dhanam, therefore you are called Dhanavan, right?
Mhm.
Similarly, Marjara, if it is there, that person is called Marjaravan. Taking that meaning, then you see the Subhashita of whether that meaning fits into it or not.
Okay.
If not, then we have to think of what meaning is Marjara. Is it Kridanta or not? Okay, fine. Next, second line, Janma Prabhrati, one word. Gaurnasti,
Gaurnasti.
what's in the
Gauh na asti.
Gauga plus Na plus Asti, Savana Dirga Sandhi. Gaurnasti, there is no Sandhi. Just it is, Gaur, it is. No Sandhi, no specific. It's an inferred. That Repa becomes Visarga. Okay. Then Payaha. Payaha Pibati, again Upadmaniya. Or you can say Visarga. Nityashaha. Oh. Kriya Padam, you take first Kriya Padam. First line Kriya Padam, second line also we have Kriya Padam. First line Kriya Padam is
Bhavet.
Bhavet. Bhavet means may one be, become, right? Okay. What one should become? Bhavet.
One who does udyogam.
Udyogaha khalu kartavyaha. Kartavyaha also playing the role of a verb, verbal equivalent, right? Kartavyaha should be done. What? Udyoga. Udyoga is effort.
Parishramaha.
Prayatnaha, parishramaha is effort should be done so that karma should be done so that palam, karma palam, one karma palam, marjaravan. See, if you say marjaravan, it should be marjaravat. It cannot be marjaravat here, right?
Like yeah.
No, marjaravat cannot be. Marjaravat is pratipadikam.
Yeah.
If you say marjaravan is pratama purusha, pratama bhakti ekavachanam.
Yeah.
So,
Now I got it.
this cannot be. Therefore, if it's like marut shabda, okay. Marut shabda, pratama bhakti, marut shabda, marut only. So that is why Rajaji said marut. So it is not dhimat, ruled out. If it is dhimat, it cannot be marjara, but it should be marjaravan. Marjaravan not that. Therefore, it is not like that. Is it like marut? You have to see. Marut is marutaha. It's a marjaravat. See the context here. Marjaravat is phalam marjaravat bhavet. The result of the udyoga, the action, right? One will get like a cat. It is like the cat. The result, palam bhavet. Palam is pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Please note. Don't think it has dvitiya vibhakti. Palam bhavet. The result will be there like the cat. For the person who works hard. Udyoga, who works hard. That's why udyoga kalu kartavyaha. Effort should be made so that the result will be like that of the cat. Why cat? So Marjaravati is not Marut. It is not Vidya also. It is Avya. In fact, the lessons we have seen, Iravat Chandraha, Akashe, Prakashate, like a diamond in the sky, right? It's Iravat. like a diamond. Iravati is like the decline, Iravan, no. Krishnavata, Shuklavata, like black, white. Vati, here the pratyaya is Vati pratyaya, it's a totally different one. Vati, it is not Vatu, it is Vati, Tadita pratyaya, that meaning is Sadrishyat, like that meaning it is used. Avyaya, indeclinable. What you get is Kridanta only, but it is indeclinable Kridanta. Avyaya. Sorry, not Kridanta, Tadita, Kshamitam. It is Tadita word. The pratyaya is Tadita. Therefore, what you get is Taditanta Avyayam. Like Ataha is Tadita. Ataha, Tataha, Kutra, Tatra, all these. Itaha, all these are Tadita words. Avyaya. Ataha as the meaning of Panchami. Ataha is equal to Asmat. Tataha is equal to Tasmat, right? Indicates the sense of Panchami. Similarly, we have many other Tadita Pratyas that Tadita Pratyas, that when you add to the Pratipadikam, you will get Avyaya. So, yet Marjaravati is an Avyayam. Marjara, the word, Pratipadikam. And Vati Pratyaya, Tadita Pratyaya added. So, you get a new Pratipadikam, and that is Avyayam. It is new Pratipadikam, new Padam, and that is Avyaya Padam. Okay, Marjaravati is Avyayam. It cannot decline. So, like that. So, we cannot just go by the word. We have to see what Pratyaya is. It's not Marjaravan. It is not even like Marut. So, if it is like Marut subject to declension. Whereas Marjaravat, not subject to declension. The forms are same for all vibhaktis and all vachanam. Derived, declinable. Derived, Taditanta, Avyayam. All Avyayams are what? See, you get a Pratipadikam. You get a Pratipadikam by the addition of Tadita Pratyaya. The Pratipadikam subject to declension. When you can't decline, when you decline, the form doesn't change. What is it called? Avyayam. Right? So Marjaravat is Avyayam. Avyaya Padam. So Marjaravata is a Pratipadikam. Marjaravata plus Su is equal to Marjaravata. Marjaravata plus Av is equal to Marjaravata. Marjaravata plus Jas is equal to Marjaravata only. Understand? So not like Marut. So that also ruled out. So both are ruled out. It is not like Dhimata. It is not like Marut. Then what is it? It is an Avyaya. Avyayatvat. You will not see any change in the word. The word remains the same. So Palam Bhavet. May the result be like that of the cat. It means the cat. Why it is said that is given the second line. Janma Prabhruti. Janma Prabhruti is beginning from its birth,
Since
right?
birth.
Since birth. Janma Prabhruti. Janma Prabhruti, Gauhu Nasti. Does cat have a cow? Does it grow a cow for its milk? No. The cat doesn't have a cow. Janma Prabhruti, Gauhu Nasti. But it gets
Milk.
when?
Nitya.
Nityasha, every day. Dinam, Prati Dinam, Nityasha, again it is Avyaya. Tadita word, it is Avyaya. So Nityasha, Pipati, it gets milk every day, right? Payaha Pipati. Payaha is Payaha Payasi Payamsi Napumsakalinga. So here Payaha what vibhakti?
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya vibhakti. Because Pipati is then it has to be Dvitiya only. Milk cannot drink, right? Somebody has to drink milk. Therefore milk has to be karma. So Janma Pravritti Gauhu Nasti Kintu Nityashaha Payaha Pibati. So therefore the effort should be like that of the cat. It just the intention, no, Subhashita is how the cat intelligently, it works. But similarly, the person also Cats know how to get things done. Right? Similarly, one has to be intelligently apply his mind and work. Udyoga kartavyaha. As a cat gets milk without,
Having a cow.
without having a cow, right? Cats gets milk. Similarly, tadvat. Similarly, udyoga kartavyaha. You have to understand what the Subhashita wants to convey. The cat without having a cow, it gets the end. The end is milk. Milk is what it wants. But without milk, it gets. Like that, you have to work. Udyoga, intelligently, you have to work. That is what. Yeah, Udyoga, it's the emphasis on not just on the mere effort alone. It should be an intelligent effort. The previous shloka there, Udyamam Sagasam Dairyam Visa Buddhishakti Parakramaha, right? Chadete etra vartante, tatra devam prasidati visa, right? There Udyama was there, the Prayatna, but here the Prayatna should be, the Prashitam says, it should be intelligent, not just simply the effort. The effort should be intelligent. Use your buddhi like the cat, how it gets without the cow milk every day. Similarly, you should also work. So apply your mind intelligently in your work so that you also will enjoy the result like that of a cat getting milk without cow. That is the meaning. Understand, right? So Marjaravat, you see the meaning before. Marjaravat, indeclinable. Right? Indeclinable in Marjara. Marjara, indeclinable. But the Marjara, from the Pratipadikam, we derive another Pratipadikam, Marjaravat, Vati Pratyaya, Tadita Pratyaya, which is indeclinable. Okay. Janma Prabhruti, that is also indeclinable. Beginning from Janma. It's not Janma Prabhruti and all. It is indeclinable. Beginning Janmanaha Ityartaha. Beginning from birth, since birth. Okay. Payaha, Payaha is what? Like what Shabda? Payas, Sakaranta Shabda. Like Manaha Manasi Manamsi. Payaha Payasi Payamsi. Pratipadikam is Payas. Payas plus Su. What do you get? Su Lopaha. Yes. Payaha. Right? And how do you get the Dvivachanam? Payas plus Au. You should get Payasav, right? But we don't get Payasav. What do you get? Au will be replaced by, I think I taught you. Napum Sakalinga, Sakaranta, Shabda. What do you get? See, Payaha.
Dirgatva.
O will be replaced by E, the long vowel E. So Payas plus E, what do you get?
Payasi.
Payasi. Payas plus just is
Short E. Guruji.
Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, exactly. It will be replaced by, because it is Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, right? For Napumsakalinga, what is Sarvanamastana?
1, 3 and 2, 3.
Yes. So for Napumsakalinga, 1, 3 and 2, 3 will be replaced by
Short E.
short E. So when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, what will happen to Payas Sakaranta?
Payas.
No. When Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows,
Numagam.
Nummagama will come. For Napumsakalinga, we have another rule. Napumsakalinga Shabda ending with the Jhal letter. What are the Jhal letters?
4, 3, 2, 1 and the sibilants.
Yes. Please note, this is Napumsakalinga. Payas plus Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Su. Payas plus Su. Su follows Sakara. Therefore Su Lopaha. Therefore Payas. Payas is now Padam. Padanta Sakara, you get Payaha, right? This is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Please note, I am doing Napumsakalinga. Don't confuse with Pullinga. Pullinga is Prakriya is different. Napumsakalinga Prakaranam is different. Then some similarities are there. Napumsakalinga. We'll see what it is. Now, let us take Payas. Now, Payas is not, it is ending with Jal letter. Then what will happen? For the Jal Anta Napumsakalinga, Payas plus, what will happen? We will see when Sarvanasana Pratyaya follows. Okay. Now, Payas plus Au. Au will be replaced by, so rule. For Napumsakalinga, Au will be replaced by E. E. The same thing happens for Pala also. You know, what happens? Pala Shabda. You see, Pala plus Au, and Au is replaced by E. Then what do you get? A plus E.
Re.
That's what A. Palam Pale. That's how you get Pale. Right? Simple. Anyway, Payas plus E, get Payasi. So Payaha, Payasi. Then Payas plus Jas, Tranamasana Pratyaya. So what did I say? Jal Antana Pumsakalinga Shabda, when followed by Tranamasana Pratyaya, then what will happen? And before that, Jas also must be replaced by short E, number one. Because Jas is replaced by E, don't think E becomes something else. It also enjoys the same Sanya. Sanya is Sarvanamastha. The chair being the same, whether Manmohan Singh sits or Modi ji sits. The person sitting on that gains the status of being the Prime Minister. Of course, there's a huge difference between the two. There's difference. So similarly here also, just as a Pratyaya, he also will get the status of the Pratyaya and he also will enjoy the Sanya, Sarvanamastana Sanya. So when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, Jalanta will get Num. Num being in Agama, where it will come after the last urge.
Last touch.
Here, what is the last urge?
Akara. Yeah.
Therefore, Payans plus E. Now, remember we have seen that is when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, and we have here a conjunct consonant at the end, and the end of the conjunct consonant, Sakara, the penultimate is Upada, then Upada to Upada. Nakara is Upada, right? See, this is another rule. We have not seen this, in fact. Okay. When we have a word like here, ending in the conjunct, and in the conjunct we have Sakara at the end, right? And Nakara at the Upada. Then Upada to Upada will get Dirgha. Therefore, Paya will become
Payansi.
Paya, Payans plus E, Payansi. This is also by a rule. You will see more examples. The Payamsi. Now, Nakara is not at the end of the Padam. Apadanta Nakara followed by Jal, Sandhi rule. Will get be replaced by Anuswara.
Understood.
So you get Payaha, Payasi, Payamsi. You can check the Shabda Rupam later. You will get the same. For Vidya Bhakti also. Payaha, Payasi, Payamsi. And similarly, Nabas Shabda, suppose. Nabas. Nabas, already Nabas Shabda in the lesson also we have seen. Even in the Subhashita, Nabasi, Bhushanam, right? What is the first one? Chandraha, right? Nabas is Akasha. So that also will be same. Nabaha, Nabasi, Nabamsi, right? Nabas will become Nabaha. Same. Instead of Payas, replace Payas by Nabah. Right? Payamsi, Nabamsi. Understand? And suppose instead of Nabas, suppose we have Tapas. What about Tapas? Tapaha, Tapasi, Tapamsi. Tapas Shabda, Napumsakalinga Shabda. Tapaha, Tapasi, Tapamsi. Right? So Pratama Bhakti is Tapaha. Okay, here Nabaha example. Tapaha, Tapasi, Tapamsi. Understand? Suppose Vapus, for example, Vapu is Shariram. Vapus What will happen?
Vapuhu.
Vapuhu, Vapushi. Yes, Vapuhu is Pratama Vyakti Ekavachanam. Then Vapuhu, Vapushi, Vapumshi. How we get Vapumshi? Vapus plus E. Then Numahama becomes Vapum. Then Dirgatvam.
Vapumsh.
Pu will become Pu. Vapums. Then you have Vapum. And this Sakara, which is preceded by Ukara, in between Anuswara, is it undergo Shatvam. It doesn't happen in other case.
Mm.
In other case, Akara is not in or ku.
Mm.
But here it will happen. Whom she. How does it happen? It may has. This Sakara, which is in the Pratipadikam, is a part of the Pratyaya. Us Pratyaya. Therefore, it happens. All these words are derived from a particular some dhatu by adding some unadi pratyaya. Therefore, Sakara here is Pratyaya Sakara. Therefore, Vapuhu, Vapushi, Vapumshi. Similarly, any Sakaranta, Jalanta, in fact, you can do like this only. Another example I will take, not Jalanta, but is that Shabda is important. It is not Jalanta, but what happens, see, it is Ananta, like Rajan Shabda we have seen in Pullinga, similarly Karman Shabda, what will happen? Karman plus Su, same, Su will become Lokaha, you get Karma, not Karmaha, Karman, where is Karmaha?
Karma.
This Nakara at the end of the Padam, as far as the Pratipadikam, Nakara will drop, so you get Karma. Then Karman plus Au, Karman plus E, you get Karmani. The simple addition. Karma, Karmani.
Karma.
Karma, Nakara is there. Yeah, you don't have to do Numa Kama. Already Nakara is there. Karma, Ni. Nothing happens. I take it for granted, you know it. Okay.
Yes, Guru.
Then Karman plus Jas.
Karma.
That is why Jas is only for Jal Anta Numa Kama. It is not Jal. So no Numa Kama here. So Karman plus Jas, we get Nakara, Upada will get Dirgatam, therefore Ma plus E, you get Karmani. And then Nattam also happens, Karmani. Therefore you get Karma, Karmani, Karmani, Karma, Karmani, Karmani. Tritiya onwards, same, simple it is. Same as Rajan Shabda. Karmana. Not Rajan, you can take Atman. Karmana, Karmabhyam, Karmabhihi, Atman, Pulinga. Anyway, we will do all those things later. See, this is simple. You can just note. So this pious, nabas, etc., sakaranta, shabda. We'll talk about that in detail in some other context. Here, just to show you, payaha, payaha, payasi, payamsi, payaha, payasi, payamsi. Here, nityashaha, payaha, pibati, kaha, marjaraha. Therefore, payaha is Dutiya
Ekavachana.
karma. It is karma padam. Karma padatvat, Dutiya vaktihi. The next is Subhashita. Here, any questions are there? Kaha payaha pibati nityashaha? We know. It is
Marjara.
Marjaraha. Okay. Next, Subhashita. Please read. Yeah. Next person can read. Anyone. Yes, read. Jyoti, read.
Ekasya karma
Anyone.
samvikshaya karotyantyopi garhitam. Ekasya karma samvikshaya karotyanto
Samvikshya, not samvikshaya, samvikshya.
samvikshya karotyantyopi garhitam. Gatanugatiko loko na lokaha paramarthikaha.
Read again.
Gatanugatiko
No, the full Subhashita.
ekasya karma samvikshaya
Samvikshya.
karotyantopi garhitam.
Karotyanto. Okay.
Gatanugatiko loko, na lokaha,
Hmm.
paramarthikaha.
Okay, what is the meaning?
Ekasya karma samvekshya.
Gatanukatiko loko.
That's another subhashitam, you know. Gata nagatiko lokaha, lokah paramartikaha, Ganga saikatalingena, ashtam me tamra bhajanam. You know that story.
No,
Like
Guruji.
this. But Father, you have to understand what is the meaning of the phrase Gatanugatiko Lokaha. Then you will understand that Subhashita. Another Subhashita. Ganga Saikata. Ganga Saikata Lingena Nashtame Tamra Bhajanam. I lost my copper vessel. Okay. Well, first we have to understand the phrase Gatanugatiko Lokaha. Okay. First you have to understand this and then we will see. First Pada Cheda. Ekasya Karma. No Sandhi. Karma is Karma Shabda. Karman Shabda. Nakaranta Shabda. Just now I said. Samvikshya. No Sandhi. Just see the Sandhi. First we will see Sandhi. Karotyanyopi. What is that? Karotyanyopi. You need to split this.
Karoti anyaha api.
अन्यः
Karoti plus anyaha plus api. Ekasya karma samvikshya. Karotyanyopi garhitam. So karoti plus anyaha in Sandhi. Anyaha plus api. Vino utva then guna. Then gatanugatiko. Gatanugatiko. There are also Sandhi. Ashicha. When Ash follows. Right? Utra Sandhi.
Gatanugatikaha.
Gatanugatikaha. So my loko na. There are also
Lokaha.
Sandhi.
Lokaha.
Lokaha. Na lokah paramatika. Upadmani or visarga. Right?
But, yeah.
Now, what is the Kriya Padam in the first line?
Samvikshya.
No, very obviously Kriya Padam is there, no?
Karoti.
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 Samviksha is also, but it is indeclinable. But here Kriya Padam first take. Samviksha verbal derivative, it is indeclinable. What is Samviksha? Okay, because you said Samviksha.
Having seen.
Vikshanam is saying. Samviksha is saying.
Viksha, in fact, Viksha also it is a Kridanta. What is the
After seeing
Dhatu?
or having seen.
What is the Dhatu?
Iksh.
Viksh.
Not Viksh, it is Iksh
ईक्ष
Dhatu.
ईक्ष धातु
Iksh Dhatu plus V Upasarga. Then Twa, when you add Twa will become Lyap. I told you, right? Therefore, Vikshya, having seen. Samvikshya, having seen well. Samyak.
Samyak.
Right? Now, that is a Samvikshya. For that, having seen, what? There must be an object, right?
Ekasya karma. Once
That
deeds.
Action.
Karma is the object. Karma Padam for Samvikshya. Having seen the actions. Fine. That leave it. Now, come to the Kriya Padam. Main Kriya Padam is Karoti. Now, we have to find out all the other Karakas for Karoti. Kaha Karoti.
Saha karoti.
Ekaha Karoti, someone, right?
Eka.
Karoti. Someone does Karoti. Then what about the Anyaha? Other person?
Other person. Api. Then. Also.
Ekaha Karma Karoti. One person does
Anyaha
action.
api karoti.
Anyaha api Karoti. What Karoti?
Karma
This
karoti.
person's
Garhitam.
karma, Ekasya Karma Samvikshya, the karma done by this person, right? Having seen that karma, the other person also does the karma. Does the same karma. So your action becomes, having seen your action, I also follow you. I do the same action. Even though the karma is,
Garhitam.
Garhitam.
it is Garhitam is Nindyam, Nindarham Ityartaha. Even though the action is faulty, wrong. Even though the action is wrong, but I follow, right? I also follow. It means without thinking, right? I don't think, just blindly follow what you do. You may do the action, but the action may be good for you. may not be, it is not good for me, but you are doing for some reason, but I blindly follow you. So ekasya karma samvikshya, having seen the action of one, right? Anyaha karoti. Other person also does the same action. So karoti, for that we don't need to have saha. Now we can connect to anyaha. Ekasya, because we are forming a sentence. Okay. In the beginning we have to say ekaha, now it is not required. Anyaha api karoti. Other person also does. Ekasya karma samvikshya, having seen the action of one person, other person also karoti.
Does.
What gargitam karma? Gargitam, it is Ditya Vibhakti. Gargitam karma karoti. Karma which is blameworthy. Karma which is faulty. Right? Blamable act. It does. It means without thinking he does. Ninditam karma karoti. Right? For that is that's Gatana Gatiko Lokaha, na Lokah Paramartikaha. It is Gatana Gatika is Gata Anugatika.
Anugat. Blindly
Gatana,
follow.
Lokaha means people. Here Lokaha is people. Loka just simply, Gata means who have gone. Ganugati means they follow. So people blindly follow the people. Gata is gone. Anugati is going behind them. So going behind who have gone. That means following. So Anugatika means followers, referring to the people. So people are blind followers. Without thinking, they just blindly copy the action of others. Right? Now look of Paramartikaha. Paramartika means they do not worry, bother about Paramartika. Just blindly perform, blindly follow other people. That is the meaning. Gatanugatiko. It's a famous statement. They really don't see the yathartha in the karma. Paramartika is yathartha. So without seeing the intent, without seeing the meaning, just lokaha people, they follow the other people. Gatanugatikaha lokaha. They like the goat. One first goat, if it does, all other goats will follow follow the first goat. Like the herd. Similarly, for that only we say we give this to a story. Gatanugatiko lokaha naroka paramartikaha. Ganga saikata lingena nashtame tabana bhajanam. A Brahmana once went to the Ganga Sagar. So he wanted to take bath. And it is the shore is so vast. And he had a Panchapatra with him for doing Achamanam, for doing Sandhyavandanam. Now, that to keep the Panchapatra. So what he did, he dug a pit and buried the Panchapatra, and he erected a small mud linga, Shivalinga. And he went for bathing. And the people were watching this. And they thought, oh, this is how we have to take bath in the Ganga. So everybody, what they did, everybody started building this mud linga. When the person after bath, when he came back and saw the whole, the shore was full of linga. So his Tamra Bhajanam is gone. Ashtame Tamra Bhajanam. Therefore, we say Gatanugatiko Lokaha. Why the person did, what is the reason? Without thinking, all other people blindly follow. Gatanugatiko Lokaha it is. Okay. So ekasya karma samvikshya karotyanyapi gargitam. Having seen one's karma, the other person also does a karma, same karma, even if it is gargitam, it is blamable, even if it is blameworthy. Why people have got this, the herd buddhi, blindly following. That is the meaning. So gargitam means nindyam ityarthaha, nindyam karma. Okay. So gatanugatikaha. Gata is gamana, going. Following is anugamanam. So gatanugatam. Gatanugatam. Asya asti iti gatanugatikaha. The one who follows. Follows the one who has, who has gone before. So that is gatanugatikaha. Lokaha means prajaha ityartha. People. Okay, next Svashita. Please read.
गवादीनां पयोनिधियुः सद्यो वाजायते दधि क्षीरोद्धेस्तु नाद्यापि महतां विकृतिः कुतः.
Yeah, it's another good Svashita. Gavadina, okay, Gavadina. Let us do Sandhi Vicheda first. Gavadina, Payaha plus
अन्यद्युः
Anyadyuhu. Anyadyuhu we saw. What is Anyadyuhu? Another day. Right? Then,
सद्यः वाजायते दधि.
yes. Then, second line. Kshiro dehe. Kshira dadi. Kshira dadi. Dadehe. Kshiro dadehe. Two. So Kshiro dadehe plus two. Sakara desha. Okay. Okay. Nadyapi na.
अद्य अपि
Also Magatam Manuswara. Makara become Anuswara. Vikritihi.
कुतः. So उपध्मानीयम्.
Yes. Ujjukamaliya. Yeah. Okay. Jikhva Moliya. Okay, fine. What the Kriya Padam? Jayate, right? Kim Jayate? Payaha.
दधि जायते.
Jayate is born. Jayate is born. So Jayate the Kriya Padam. Jandhatu, fourth Gana, right? Na Jayate Mariyate Vakadachi Jayaha. What Jayate? What becomes what?
पयः पयात् दधि जायते.
No, Payaha, you can say Payaha Dadi Jayate. So Payaha is Panchami. From Panchami, Payaha, Anyedhihu means on another day, next day, or Sadhyaha or today itself. Anyedhihu Sadhyaha va Dadi Jayate. Gavadinam Payaha. From the milk of the Gavadi, etc. Cows, etc. The cows, etc. The milk of cows, etc. becomes Dadi, either next day or today. Becomes Dadi, the curd, yes. What about Kshiro Dadi? Kshiro Dehe, Kshira Udadi is ocean. It's called Milky Ocean. Kshira Udadi. Kshiro Dadege. Yes, Kshira plus Udadi. Okay, not Kshiro plus Dadi. Huh? Kshira plus Udadi. Udadi is ocean. Kshiro Dadi. So Kshiro Dadege of the Milky Ocean. Adhyapi, Nadhyapi, even now. Adhyapi, what will happen? Kshiro Dadi will not become curd. Will not change. Similarly, Magatam
विकृतिः कुतः.
Magatam is Magat Purushanam, Sreshta Purushanam, Uttama Purushanam.
There is no vikruti.
There is no Vikriti. There is no Vikriti means Vikriti Kutaha. Kutaha is question. Aksheparte. Rhetorical. Vikriti Kutaha Bhavati, Na Bhavati Ityartaha. Vikriti means change. It means Magatam, good people. There is no Magatam is Rashti Vyakti. Vikriti is change from their context, behavior, right? They don't transgress. Vikritihi, Kutaha Bhavati, Magatam, Na Bhavati. It means wise people, great people do not change from following dharma, from being righteous. That we have to understand. Vikriti Kutaha means they do not change. They do not, Vikritihi, in the negative sense here. Vikriti Kutaha. It means they do not deviate from following dharma. You have to take like that. Okay. Gavadinam payaha. See, payaha, don't take it as Panchami. Gavadinam payaha dadi jayate. You can take it as payaha jayate. Payaha is the dadi is dadi jayate. Dadi is born. Gavadinam payaha, the
From payaha, so it should be Panchami, no?
you can take it as Panchami or payaha. Like I'll just give an example. Jayate is born. Yeah, we can take Panchami. Yeah, nothing wrong Panchami. I was just thinking of subjective complement. That is also possible. You can take it as Panchami. Yes. If you take Panchami, 1 minute. Paya Shabda is Payaha Payasi Payamsi. Panchami would be Payasaha, right? Payaha Payasi Payamsi. Payasa Payobhyam Payobhyaha. In Payase Payobhyam Payobhyaha. Payasaha Payobhyam Payobhyaha Payasaha. It cannot be Panchami. That's what I was thinking. Payaha is, it is not Panchami. If it is Panchami, then it would be Payasaha. Please check the Shabda Pata, Shabda Manjari. Payaha is Ekavachanam. Natu Panchami. Panchami of Manas will be Manasaha. Payas will be Payasaha. Tapas will be Tapasaha. Right? So Payaha is not Panchami. So Payas, you have to take this time, make that Payas becomes a third, subjective complement. Milk of the cow becomes the curd. So Jayate, the Kriya Padam, and Payaha Dadi Jayate. Payaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Dadi Jayate. So Payaha Dadi Jayate. Paya becomes milk. Like Mukam Karoti Vachalam. Similarly, that is objective complement, of course. Pangum Langayate Girim. Mukam Vachalam Karoti. Kaha Karoti, Bhagavan Karoti. Bhagavan makes the lump, Vachalam, and eloquent. So Mukam is karma. Eloquent also Dvitiya Vibhakti only, subjective complement. He makes the dumb eloquent. Similarly, that is objective complement. Or you take the example of Anton. Ramaha, Veeraha, Ramaha, Bhavati. Veeraha, Ramaha, Jayate. You can say. Rama, who is the hero. Rama is, the hero is born. Veeraha, Ramaha, Jayate. So where is the Panchami there? Okay. If it is Panchami, it will be Payasaha, not there. It is Payaha.
So it is the meaning of Panchami.
No. If you want to say Panchami, Payasaha.
Payasaha Dadi Jayate.
You can say Payasaha Dadi Jayate, that is correct. But here Payaha it is subjective complement.
Yes.
Payas becomes the curd either today or the next day, the following day. So the subjective complement, the subject and the predicate are separated by become, is, was, all those, even in English also. So here Jayate is becomes. That meaning if you take Jayate, that's subjective. That's what you have to take.
Yes.
Becomes Jadate. Okay. That's why Shabda Jnanam is important. Payaha is Pratama. Okay, then Magatam Vikriti Kutaha Kimatra Udaranam Shiro Dadehe
Dadhi na Jayate iti udaharanam.
Shiro Dadehe Na Adyapi Dadi Shiro Dadehe Ita Shiro Dadehe Vikritihi नास्ति पयरूपविकृतिः नास्ति यथा गवादीनां पयः दधिः भवति तद्वत् महतां विकृतिः अपि नास्ति इत्यर्थः. As the payas becomes the curd, that is doesn't happen for Kshirodadi. Like Kshirodadi, Mahatav विकृतिः तः भवति न भवति इत्यर्थः. Okay. मूर्खापेक्षया. Okay, this is the next Subhashitam. 20. Yeah, okay. Next one. 22. What is it? So question here. Oh, I think you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, with these words. Varam nonam yata. Etehi yata yogam agyani porayata. Murkhapekshaya mritaha putraha. Fill in the blanks. Which word you will use?
Varam.
Varam is better. So murkha apekshaya compared to a stupid person. Mritaha putraha is better, right? The son who is dead is better than a foolish person and foolish son. So come here some comparison. Murkha apekshaya putra mritaha putraha is varamiti. Similarly, sukartinaha vidyam na labhate means never. They don't know them. Then dash pita yata guruhu api pujyaha.
Yatha tatha.
Yata pita tata guruhu api pujyaha pujaniyaha. Okay, next is Subhashita. We see.
Sampado mahatameva chapadah vardhate kshiyate chandro natu taraganaha kvachit.
Sampadaha mahat apadaha. Sampad is Dakaranta Shabda, apada also. Sampad means prosperity, sampatti, samriddhi. Apad is vipatti, adversity. So Magatam, what will be? Shashti. Purushana, Sreshta Purushanam, Shreshta Purushanam, Sreshta Purusha, Uttava Purushanam, Magatam. Sampadaha, Magatam eva Sampadaha. Magatam eva cha Apadaha. So there are Magatam for the great people, there are prosperities, Sampadaha Bhagavachanam. Okay. Sampadaha santi. Magatam eva apadaha santi. Simple words. The sentence, in fact, it is Sampadaha santi. Kesham Magatam. Apadaha. Cha apadaha, not chapadaha. Sandhi. Cha plus apadaha is chapadaha, savana dirgha sandhi. Apadaha santi. Kesham Magatam. Apad and Sampad Dakaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. You can decline. Like you can decline like Jagat Shabda. Okay. Fine. Then Vardate Kshiyate Chandraha.
Chandraha vardhate, chandraha apikshiyate.
This is what is Chandraha Kshiyate Vardate compared to Mahata, like Mahat, great people. Chandraha Vardate. Vardate is a example for Sampad, Sampadaha, Kshiyate for Apad, adversities. So Chandraha Kshiyate, Chandraha Vardate. What about Taraganaha, stars, group of stars?
It doesn't happen. The Vardate Kshiyate.
Vardate Kshiyate doesn't happen at all. Because their presence itself is not that much significant, right? Taraganaha. Do they grow? Do they wax and wane? No.
No.
So they are not even counted. So therefore, Apad and Vipad are only for the great people, not for the tiny creatures, tiny people. It means only great people undergo all the struggles. Only who works. Who works for them only there will be adversities, prosperity. Who doesn't work at all? What is the prosperity or adversity? Nothing. That is the meaning. As Taragana is not counted, Only Chandra, for Chandra only there is waxing and waning. Similarly for Magatam eva, Magat Purushana, Magat Prayatnana. Right? So Magatam, great people, they are great because of their effort, because of their hard work. Them only there is adversity and prosperity. Only when you work, then only you will prosper. If you don't work, you don't. Even if you work, sometimes you may not get what you want, or you may get quite opposite. So possible. That is only for those people who exert themselves. Whereas others who do not even get up from the seat, what will happen to them? Like Taragana, there is they are not counted at all. There is no waxing and there is no waning like that of the moon. That is the example. Okay. So adversity and prosperity only for the people who work hard. That is the meaning. We have to see the meaning of the Subhashita. Okay. Meaning, simple meaning we know, but what is that want to convey? That we have to analyze. Okay, next shloka, 23.
Krishato nasti durbhiksham, japato nasti patakam, mauninaha kalaho nasti, nabhayam cha asti jagrataha.
Simple Subhashitam, every
Yes.
quarter has got on Kriya Padam. You can easily form the sentence. First one.
Na asti, nasti. Krishato nasti durbhiksham. With effort, there is no durbhiksham is what do you call that?
Durbhiksham is feminine or scarcity.
Scarcity, yeah, durbhiksham.
Krishataha,
Krishataha referring to?
the farmer
Effort.
who is farming.
Oh, it is Krishat Shabda. It is Kridanta, in fact. Krishata. So Krishataha, for the one who plows the land, that is farmer. For the farmer, there is no
Durbhiksham.
There is no scarcity of annam, right?
Yeah.
Krishataha, Krishat Shabda, Krishan, Krishanto, Krishantaha, Krishantam, like Pachan Shabda, Pachan, Pachanto, Pachantaha. What is the Shashti Vyakti Ekavachanam of Pachata? Pachataha. Similarly, Krishat become Krishataha.
Krishataha.
Krishan, one who plows, the plowing, the plower, the farmer. Krishataha, for the farmer. There is no scarcity of annam. Durbhiksham nasti. There is no famine. There is, it doesn't lack food. It will not lack food, right? Okay. The next second part.
Japato nasti patakam.
Japataha, for the one who does
Japa.
prayer. Pataka,
Calamity.
papa or adversity, you can take. There is no
Sin.
patakam. Yeah. There is no papa for that person. There is no calamity. There is no disaster. Okay. The third one.
Mauninaha kalaho nasti. The one who keeps silent all the time. There is no quarrel for him with anybody.
Yes, there is no quarrel. So Maunin Shabda. Mauninaha Shakti Bhakti. So Kalaha Nasti, there is no quarrel. Then last one.
Na bhayam cha asti jagrataha. The one who is awake all the time, there is no fear for him.
Ye Jagrataha is spiritual awakening. Yanisha Sarabhutana. He is awake to the Parabrahma. So woken up to the truth. So Jagrata. Here also it is Jagrataha is Shatranta. Jagri Dhatu is that. Jagri Dhatu. Jagrat you get. Jagran Jagranta Jagrantaha. The Shashti Bhakti is Jagrataha. Like Pachat only. For the one who is awake, there is no fear. Because he is awake to Advaitam, Abhayam. Advaitam is Abhayam. Therefore there is Bhayam. No Bhayam Nasti Tasya. Right? Simple Subhata. Sampadaha Magatam eva cha apadaha. Kutaha kaha atra drishtantaha.
Chandraha atra drashtanta.
Drishtanta is Sampadaha Magatam eva cha apadaha. So therefore, Drishtanta is Chandraha. Okay. Kasya durbhiksham nasti.
Krishato durbhiksham nasti.
Krishataha.
Krishataha.
Or you can say Krishakasya.
Krishakasya.
Krishaka like Rama Shabda. Krishakasya. Kasya patakam nasti.
Japataha.
Japataha. Kasya kalakha nasti.
Mauninaha.
Mauninaha.
Kasya bhayam nasti. Jnaninaha.
Jagrataha.
Jnaninaha. Jnanin, you can say Jnaninaha. Or Jnani or Jagrataha.
Mm.
Now, Bhave Prayoga. What is Bhave Prayoga? You know. What is Bhave Prayoga?
Where there is no karma in it.
Karma.
Exactly. Karmani Prayoga, where there is no karma, right?
Yeah.
Karmani Prayoga, if there is no karma, that becomes Bhave Prayoga. Bhave means maybe the subject which will be Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. Satyam Jayati, take the Kriya Padam. Dhatu is Ji. Karmani Prayoga, Jayat, Ji Dhatu is Jiyate. What
Satyameva Jayate.
Jiyate? You have to convert into, make it Bhave Prayoga.
Satyam Jayate.
Satyena jiyate.
Satyena Jiyate. Satyam will go in Tritiya. It is not karma, right?
Satyena
They are
Jayate.
making a Bhave Prayoga. Satyena Jiyate. Similarly, Ishvaraha Asti. Asti becomes Bhu.
Thiyate.
No. Bhu plus Yak plus Te Bhuyate.
Bhuyate.
Then Ishvaraha will become
Ishvarena.
Now,
Ishvarena Bhuyate. Ishvara is Karta. Ishvaraha Asti. That is Karma. Karma not there also. Dhatu is Akarmaka Dhatu. So only Bhave Prayoga is possible. You cannot do Karmani Prayoga, right? So Ishvara Karta will go into the Ishvarena. Asti will become Bhuyate, Bhudhatu. Same thing in Jayati also. Jiyate Satyena. Bhayam Nasti.
bhayena na
Bhayena na bhuyate.
bhuyate.
Yes. Na will remain as it is. Bhayena na bhuyate. Chandraha ratro shobhate. Ratro is not karma. In the ratri, it is avyaya ratro. Or you can take ratri to be in the night saptami also.
Chandrana ratrau
Bhayena.
shubhyate.
Dhatu is shubh dhatu.
Shubdhatu.
Therefore,
Shubhyate.
shubhyate. Shubh plus yak plus te shubhyate. Understand?
Yeah.
And the two subhashitas are there. I think only 25 or 30.
Only two, Guruji.
Two more.
Two more we complete. Please read the next one.
Can I read, Guruji?
Please do it.
Yeah. Dharmaha jayati na adharmaha. Satyam jayati na anrutam.
Andratam. If you read na, then Andratam. If you read na Andratam, it's okay.
Okay. Shama jayati na krodaha. Devaha jayati na asura.
It's another simple Svajitam. Every quarter has got one Kriya Padam, so you can form sentence.
Dharma triumphs but not adharma.
Yes.
Satyam jayati, like truth conquers the falsehood.
Satyam Jayati na Andratam. Andratam, unrighteousness do not win. Okay.
Then Shama jayati, so forgiveness conquers but not anger. Na krodha.
Shama is Titiksha.
Forgiveness.
You can say forgiveness. Shama is also Titiksha. Putting up with.
Okay.
Tolerance. Patience.
Tolerance.
Yeah.
Devaha jayati na asuraha. So God conquers the demon, not the demon.
Yes. What is that to explain? Simple, but Sandeep, what do you know it?
Yeah.
Okay. Last one. We're going to come. This is we know. How do we know this? Whether you know, whether you know the meaning or not, you're chanting it every day. Where?
Mantra Pushpam, Guruji.
No. Rajaji, where do you chant
Is there
this?
in Akashat Patitam Toyam Yatha Gacchati Sagaram Sarvadeva
Huh?
Keshavam.
Where it comes?
Is it Vishnu Sahasranam?
In daily Sandhya Vandanam. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
In daily Sandhya Vandanam, we will chant this.
No, I remember.
After the final, before seeing the sun, doing namaskara, that time we chant Akashat Patitam Toy Meta Gacchati Sagar Sarvadeva Namaskaraha Keshavam Prati Gacchati. Then you do Abhivaden, then do
Yeah,
Acharana Namaskara. Anyway, this Subhashitam, this in Shankaracharya movies, the G.R. Iyer, what is it? Iyer, G.V. Iyer, Shankaracharya movie. There also it comes as a song, background song. Akashat patitam toyam. It's a nice melody. It's a beautiful Subhashitam, simple Subhashitam, and it's a nice one. You can understand this. Please read
Yes,
only
Guru.
one of yeah. One of you can read.
आकाशात् पतितं तोयं यथा गच्छति सागरं सर्वदेव नमस्कारः केशवं प्रति गच्छति.
So first line has the Kriya Padam.
From Akashat.
Gacchati.
Gacchati.
गच्छति
What Gacchati? Kim Gacchati?
Toyam.
Wa-
Toyam
water.
Gacchati.
Yeah,
Water.
Toyam. Toyam is also water. Okay. Toyam Gacchati. Jalam Gacchati. Okay. Jalam is Patitam.
Rain.
From where it falls.
From Akashat.
See, Patita, Nishta Pratyaya, Pat plus Ta Pratyaya, qualifying the Toya. Toya, the water which is fallen.
Yep.
Kutaha, Kasmat, Akashat.
Akasha.
The water which has fallen from Akasha, Gacchati, Kutra.
Sagaram.
That is a karma, right? The place of reach, destination. Sagaram, Ita Sagaram Gacchati, Tata Tadvat. Tadvat what?
Sarvadeva Namaskaram Keshavam Prati Gacchati.
Namaskara offered to
All gods.
Sarvadeva, all the devatas goes to Keshava
Keshava.
alone. So Keshava is like the Sagara, Akasha, the Patitam Toyam is Sarvadevaha. Namaskara offered to all the deva goes to Keshava alone. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhaktaha. Shraddhayarchitum archati. Tasya tasya chala Shraddham vidadhami. Vidadhamyaham, as Gita in Bhagavan says. So same. All the worship offered to all these gods, small gods, Devata, everything goes to the Lord alone. Okay, now Ke Jayanti, Ke na Jayanti. Who wins? Which doesn't win? Question.
Shama Jayati.
Huh? Sorry.
Shama Jayati, Krodam na Jayati.
Satyam Jayati.
Satyameva Jayati, na Anrutam. Ke Jayanti, Prashnaha. Jayanti.
Krodo na Krodo na Asuraha.
So you have to see the Subhashita where Jayati. Elame Jayati, all are Jayati. Dharmaha, Satyam, Shama, Devaha. That's why Ke Jayanti. So Dharmascha, Satyamcha, Kshamacha, Devascha, Jayanti. Bhagavachanam. That's why you're asking. Jayanti. Kena Jayanti, all the negative you have to say. Adharmaha, Adharmaha cha, Nandrutam cha, Adharmaha, Nandrutam, Krodhaha, Asuraha cha, na Jayanti. Right? Okay. Opposite words, Viruddha Padani, antonyms. Sudiksham, Durbhiksham.
Durbhiksham.
Scarcity and plenty. Satyam, Asatyam. Smarati, Ismarati, the Kriya Padam it is. Devaha, Asuraha. Dharmaha, Dharmaha. Nidrati, Nidra is a dhatu. It's a dhatu having two vowels. Similarly, Jagra also having two vowels. Jagrati. Vardate, Kriyate. Tyajati, Bhajati. Sampat, Vipata. Upakaraha, Apakaraha. Yeah.
Tyajati means giving up, isn't it? Tyagam.
Yeah. Bhajati is taking
How
up.
is it Bhajati? Bhajati is
No, dhatu has got many meanings. So Tyajati gives up and Bhajati is you go after.
Bhajati.
Tyajati is give up. Tyajati
Yeah,
is you seek.
Tyajati is, I understand, but how for Tyajati opposite
Bhajati
is
means you seek.
seek. See,
Seek.
in the sense of seek. Okay.
The sense of seek. Yeah, Bhajati.
Hmm.
Bhajate. Bhajati. Kathopanishad also comes on.
Yeah, it
Kama.
makes sense when you say seek. Yeah.
So yata tata tatra abhyam yata yogyam agyani purayata. Dumaha agnihi.
Yatha Dumaha asti.
No, not yata dumaha. No. Yatra dumaha tatra tatra agnihi. Wherever there is smoke,
Oh.
there is fire, right? This is all pramana, this Anumana pramana, we say this.
Yeah.
There
Yes,
cannot be
sir.
smoke without fire. Yata Raja Tata Praja. Yata
Yeah.
Raja Tata Prajaha, you can say.
Hmm.
Okay. So we have completed infant reader. And last one is the shlokas. Select the shlokas. Paryaya shloka from Amar Kosha. This is a good one. You can see Ganesha has been different names. Vinayaka, Vignaraja, Tvai and Ganadipaha, Ekadantaha, Erambaha, Lambodaraha, Gajananaha. Synonyms. Subramanya, similarly Devaha. There are so many names for Devaha. One is Amaraha, Nirjaraha. Nirjara means that they don't go old. Devaha, Tridashaha, Vibudaha, Suraha, Suparvanaha, Sumanasaha, Tridiveshaha, Divaukasaha. All these mean Devata. All these are Pullinga. Devata is Strilinga. That's last line you see. Vrindaraka Devatani Pumsi Va Devataha Striyam. Devata is Strilinga Shabda. Devata Akaranta Shabda. Similarly, Brahma, Brahmanamani. So how many names are there? You can see Devata, we have 26 synonyms, and Nam and Brahma have got 10. So Mahavishnu 39, and Shivaha 48. All these words, Sarvagyaha, Bhargaha, then Buddha Devaha 18, Indraha 36 synonyms. Sri Lakshmi 14, Parvati 17, and Kuberaha 17. Disha directions, 5 directions. Dishas 2, 5 words. Dishaha, Kakubaha, Kashta, Ashaha, then Aditaha. Okay. With this, I think it is over. It's good. We have completed this book. Maybe last lesson is an exercise. You can do next class. Okay. Just come prepared, simple one. Do the translations. By the whip, how do you translate in Sanskritam? Whip is kasha. So translated as
Kashaya.
kashaya. You try this. If you have any problem, you can tell me. We'll do. Otherwise, you can go to the next one. By order. Agneya. Adeshena Ragneya. We follow. Vayam
Anugachamaha.
Anugachamaha, Anusaramaha, with 2 shining wings. What is a wings?
Suparna.
Pakshe. Pakshe.
Paksha is wings.
Suparna.
Shobana Paksha. Suparna. Yeah, you can say Suparna. Suparnabhyam. Right? Wings. Feather. What is the word for feather in Sanskritam? Parna is one. Another word.
Pakshe.
Pakshaha. Right?
Pakshaha.
Pakshabhyam. Supaksha. From house. Grhat.
Gruhat.
From the bunch of flowers.
Pushpakuchat.
Gucha. Then in the school, Asmin,
Vidyalaya.
Vidyalaye.
yeah, without hen.
Shalayam.
Yes, very good. Shalayam also. Without hen. Kukuti, right?
Kukuti Vina.
Kukutim Vina. You have to say Ditya. That is a yeah.
Oh.
Kukutim Vina. Of the cow. Testing your Vibhakti knowledge. Of the cow. Dhenoho or Gavaha, right?
Gavaha.
2 cows. What's you can say what's
Batsam.
Assam,
So,
right? Then they two converse. They two talk. They tau. Okay, that depends. Tau. Vashe.
Bhashataha.
Vashete.
Bhashete.
Or simply you can say they talk means they speak vadati.
Vadataha.
Vadataha. Yesterday,
Shvaha.
Yeah.
Hyaha. Hyaha, not
Hyaha.
Shwaha. Shwaha is tomorrow.
Mm.
Day after tomorrow,
Parashvaha.
Parashwaha. Tomorrow, Shwaha.
Shvaha.
During daytime,
Dine.
Div- Diva.
Divasi.
Diva is simple again. Diva means daytime. Ratro during night time, right?
Mm.
Okay, the translation part you do it, you can see. The English to Sanskritam and Sanskritam to English. You can take that as your homework. Okay. Here also it is there. Give the grammatical peculiarity. Just analyze. Agam Krishnena saha Gurgam Gatta Lekani Manayami. Saha Tritiya. Saha is therefore Krishna becomes
Krishnena saha.
Upapada Vibhakti. Hey Badra, Tvam Pratidinam Lekanya Pustakena cha Vina Patalayam Agachasi. What is grammatical peculiarity? Vina governs Tritiya
Pustakena.
Tritiya. So Pustakena Lekanya Tritiya Vibhakti. That is the peculiarity he says. That is Upapada Vibhakti. Alam Tava Kutuhalena.
Alam.
Alam
Alam
Tritiya.
is the
Tritiya. Give the opposite. So Gachati.
Agachate.
Agachati. Pratyagachati. Okay. Arogati.
Avarohati.
Rohati.
Avarohati. Purvam. Paschat.
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 Nayati.
Anayate.
Anayati.
Uchchaihi.
Shanaihi.
No. Nichaihi. Uchchaihi means
Nichaihi.
I. Nichaihi. Saha.
Vina.
Exact. Simple.
Vina.
If you can do this, then infant reader has done its homework.
Mm.
It has done its work. Okay. So we'll stop here. Dhanyawadaha. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. I think we have done reasonably well. This book completed. All the grammatical points, everything we discussed, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Dhanyavada Guruji.
Dhanyavad Guruji.
You can understand this or any other text also, you can easily read and understand. Yeah. Yes, please. Yes, Rajaji. Want to say something?
No.
Okay.
No. So we'll be continuing this, Guruji, or next we'll go back to grammar.
No, he sent a book for us. You remember another book?
Book one I sent you, we will do. And grammar also we will do. One class grammar, one class this. Nishta Pratyaya, which left. We'll pick up that.
Yes.
We'll complete that. After the Karmani Prayoga, I will teach you. I not taught that. Though not taught in detail. So I taught you what will come from Pratama and Tritiya. But the
Guruji.
form of the dhatu which undergoes change, that we will see. Yeah.
Guruji, can we do Karmani once again from the start, Guruji?
Yeah,
I
we'll do
had
it.
a lot of confusion in Karmani.
Okay, we'll do it.
Thank you, Guruji.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawadaji.
Dhanyavad Guruji.
Dhanyavada Guruji.